Alright, so in this video we're going to be unboxing a brand new copy of Beets Bombs and the Blüffs and showing you what's inside. So we'll take a quick look at the box, front, back of the box. Beautiful artwork. And when you pop it open, the first thing you're going to see is the rulebook. It's pretty lightweight, it's only a few pages, and this kind of teaches you sort of the base gameplay, but the cards themselves have a lot of their own rules on them, so there's a lot more to the game. And then you have your heart tokens, these are your life points. Beat belly tokens, these guys are super cute. You need 2 of these to win the game. You get them by raiding the field. You have your super deck, super bombs, super beats, and also action cards. We'll get into that in a second. Basic plants, so basic bombs and basic beats. Everybody starts the game with 3 beats and 1 bomb from these basic plants, and those will actually return to your hand after every single round, so you always have those to plant if you want to. Back to the super deck. So throughout the game, you will draw cards from the super deck in between rounds. Everybody's going to draw cards, and then depending on what happens in the round, you might draw extra super cards for your hand. But it has super bombs and super beats that get planted in the field, and then these will get discarded if they're flipped, as well as action cards like the big Sniffer or bomb suit. And I'm just going to flip through these really quick. I'm not going to talk about all of them because that would take forever, and this would be a much longer video. Diffuse is one of my favorites, especially for the artwork. I love the artwork. I didn't make any of the artwork, so I feel like I can just brag about it as much as I want. And it's beautiful. It's lovely artwork. Little Sniffer it's a smaller Sniffer. Then you got Medic, Nope. So Nope basically, it does what it seems like it would do. So if somebody plays an action card and you don't like it, you can play Nope card and it discards that action card and nothing happens. So that's a fun one to have. And Take Cover, I think, is everybody's favorite card. So if Take Cover is planted, when it gets flipped, you have to cover your heart tokens. The last player to do that loses their heart token. So that one's a really fun sort of like group card. And then, yeah, that wraps up the super deck and Beets Bombs and the Blüffs. I hope you all are enjoying this game if you have it. And if you don't have it yet, you can check it out right now at obrothergames.com. Try not to explode.
Oh, brother.